2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 38,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!